Hello, welcome to PROPLATE. Today I'll be showing you how to create a new customer in the system. To start, go over to the Customer tab on the sidebar, click on it to bring up the Customer Management screen. To create a new customer, click on the Create Customer button. Here is where you can add the new customer into the system. For example, we're going to create a customer called John Doe. You will need the address of the customer, the city, the state. We're going to choose California, and then the zip code, and then a customer code. This can be based off the company name or be anything that you want it to be. So we're going to put down in for the customer code. These three right here will choose how the invoice link will go for this customer. This will enable surcharges, which is an upcharge of like 10% or whatever you choose it to be for the customer. This will stop the order from going out for the customer if they have not paid or they're behind on payments, and the COD, which is cash on delivery, if you turn that on, that means that they pay when the order arrives at the location. So down here is where you can add the contact info of different people in the company. So as we did before, let's put John Doe as the contact person. Put in a phone number, a random phone number for him, and an email. And when you put in the email, you can send the different papers from the sections to that email. So when there's a certification, it will get sent. When they create a new part, it gets quoted, that will get sent. With the BOL, when it passes the shipper list, it will get sent to the email address. The shipping address can either be the bill to address or the default shipping address, or it can be both. The shipping methods is how the order gets shipped. So that can be any different type of method that your company does. The third party billing is if your company does or the customer does third-party billing. If there's certain pricing for that customer, this is where you can add the unit price and the mid-charge for each process. And then smart scheduling. This is where you can put in the commitment days for each division. So if you want to get it out quickly to the customer or put in a little delay if there needs to be a delay. So after you're done, you can create it and it will add the customer to the customer management, which will then be able to use to create a part to receive a job. That customer will follow that job throughout its life cycle. If you need any additional help or you have any questions, you can contact us at support@proplate.pro.